All right, good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Fry.
So before we start today's lesson, I'm going to do a quick little poll. So I'm going to ask where you would want to go for a family vacation. Jimmy, where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the mountains.
The mountains, okay. Jill?
We'll go to the amusement park.
Amusement park. Okay. John?
We'll go to the water park.
The water park. Okay. And Jackie?
I want to go to the beach.
The beach. Nice. All right. So now that we have those, we are now going to take a class vote. When I say one of these options, I want you to raise your hand to where you would want to go for a family vacation. So by a show of hands, who would want to go to the mountains? 2. Raise your hand if you would want to go to the amusement park. 7. All right, who would want to go to the water park? Whoa, big hands right there. 9. And who would want to go to the beach? 5. All right, so now that we have this data, we are going to transition into our lesson today, which is bar graphs. So today we're going to learn how to use data that we have collected and how to make it into a bar graph. Are we excited?
Yes.
Yes. So what we're going to do is that I am going to first show you an example of what a bar graph looks like. So it has 2 main lines, one at the bottom and one at the top, like so. Yes. So at the bottom of the bar graph, we are going to put the names of the data that we collected right over here. So just for the sake of words, I'm just going to put M for mountains. I'm going to put A for amusement park. I'm going to put W for water park and B for the beach. Okay? So these are our 4 different categories. So as we see right here, we have numbers that represent for each category. So we have 2 for mountains, 7 for amusement park, 9 for water park, and 5 for beach. So we can label that as so. So right at the very bottom, what would you think will come first?
0.
0, right? So, and then what would be next?
1.
1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. So these are the numbers from our data that we collected, and this is the topic, the topics that we are voting on, that we're labeling, you know? And I'm also going to put up here vacation destination. Can someone tell me why I labeled the top of it? Avery?
Because it tells you what the vacation, like
Yeah.
what the whole graph is about.
Yeah, so it's good to label your graph, so if someone's walking by, they can just read it and know exactly what you're talking about, right?
That one's about vacation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we know these are the numbers, and this is the topic. And so now we are going to complete it together. So for mountains, we had 2. So we will line it up with the 2 right here. And we will go up 1, 2, go like this, and go down and color it in. That's how we know it's 2. And you can write a 2 on top just so you know where it is, right? And then for amusement park, we had 7, right? So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Do it down, close it,
That's more like
and
6.
fill it in as so. There we go. So,
Be accurate. Come on.
and then, so now we have our water park, and so now, so who knows something about the water park just by looking at it? So we can know, we know that it's going to go all the way up because we counted all the way up to 9, right?
Yeah.
So we'll go all the way up and go all the way down, and we'll fill it in, like so. And then the beach, we had 5, so we go over to 5, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go down and fill it in. So now we can label this as 7, 9, and 5, like so. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So now we are going to do your own collecting of your own data and creating your own bar graph. So I'm going to be handing you each a sheet of your own bar graph as so. And you will also have a little Skittles bag. Who likes Skittles?
Me.
Yes. So I will be giving you a certain number of Skittles, 10 each, and then you are going to collect the data, have certain you'll have like either red, green, yellow, or purple. Funny fact, I go to SFA, so we don't like orange here, so we will not be using the orange Skittles for this assignment. So you'll have 10 of these, and then I want you to decide with the collection of data how many purples you have, how many greens you have, and how many reds you have, and so forth, all right? So I want you to do that, and then I will come around and see how you are doing, okay?
Okay. Cool. So I put the color from there.
Exactly.
We'll still put green on the bottom, and then purple, and then red, and then yellow. Okay. So I have 2 greens. Let's scribble it in. I have 4 purple. You can put the thing and show what I'm doing if they want to see. And I have 4 red, 2. That looks better. And then I have 2 yellow. Is that right?
Yes.